this video, I will be showing you how to permanently delete your Instagram account. Open the Instagram app. Once you're on it, click your profile on the lower right corner. Then you will be rerouted to your own account. After that, click the burger sign or the three lines on the upper right side. Click the accounts that are on the top, and then you will be rerouted to this. What you're going to do is click personal details and choose the one that says account ownership and control. Click on that, and then you will see here the activation or deletion. Click on that. Click on any of the accounts that you want to delete. There is actually two options here that says activate or delete account. You are actually given two choices, which is the activation or a delete account. Since you want to delete it, click the delete account button. Then be asked whatever reason you have for deleting the account. If you haven't seen your reasons there, you can click something else. For me, I clicked the too busy, too distracting one. After that, you can click continue. Hit continue again. Then you will be asked to click or put in your password for confirmation. Once done, click continue. That's it for today's quick how-to, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the bell button so you wouldn't miss any of our videos. See you on our next one.